Hello everybody and welcome back to another video. In today's video I want to talk to you about how you can mine gold in Hytale. So if you're like me or new to the game and you've been trying to test mining in different biomes, I know I have. I've certainly tested a couple now from the starting area. I've tried the autumnal zones, some of the desert areas, but it's actually when I come into the proper desert over here, the sandy desert, you will find that you occasionally get these kind of mines spawn. And when I went into this mine, I'm going to show you now, you will find that it's absolutely chocker with different rare earths and materials. So you can see here already, just coming down, that we already have a number of different rare earths. We've got some silver, we've got some cobalt. But I actually just, I'll come down here to show you. If I map this out, you can see that we already have gold just here, and this mine is full of the stuff. You can see as well that we've got some thorium, cobalt, more iron. But these mines in the desert are definitely the best place to find gold in my experience, and I hope that this tutorial has helped.